Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and set up Valorant Tracker on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Go to tracker.gg. Select Valorant. Click Get the apps. Select Valorant Tracker. Click Download. Wait for the download to finish. Open the downloaded installer. Click Next. Accept the terms. Click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Click Finish. Now launch Valorant Tracker. Then open Valorant. Your stats should appear while you're playing. If the tracker doesn't appear in-game, open Tracker Settings. Make sure the overlay option is enabled. This allows the tracker to appear while you're playing. You can also check your match history and other Valorant statistics. And that's it. You should now have Valorant Tracker ready to use. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.